Guess what time it is, you guys? Time for another product review. Amazon. So let me show you, and this will be more of a fashion haul because summer is now officially here and we need the denim and we need the skirts and we need to look right. So I can't wait to show you guys these wonderful items, the quality and the detail and the price. So if you're interested on buying wonderful things on Amazon, you need to continue watching this because I love shopping on Amazon. So what we got here looks like two wonderful pair of denim skirts, you guys. This is the company right here, and let's see what this one is. Packaging is nice. No factory or funky smell. Smells so fresh and so clean. Oh, these are so cute because I love this. It's like the number 7. It's kind of like slashed down. No really designer is doing that, and I'm loving that style. And I love that they always use leather for the back tagging. And it's kind of like a classic Levi with the pocket, and they're always high-waisted, and this will always enhance your bum, well, your backside. You could just tell how it's cut. You know how this is going low and this is going high. It's going to enhance that back. The length is very appropriate. It's not too short, and it's not going to be like extremely long. And the quality of the denim is really nice. What I love about this company, they always add the logo on all the detail embellishment throughout the item. So you got a cute little label here, but double-sided, and their name right here, here, and of course the button. This is the wonderful tag. So yes, this video is sponsored by them. Thank you so much for providing me these wonderful items to do a product review, because your items are so easy to do a review on because the quality is so there. Look at the double stitching. The pocket is extremely soft. It's not going to irritate your skin at all. And I love that extra button inside. All stitches are in place. I don't see like no flyaway strings or anything. And just want to show you guys how easy it is to zip them, because you know these zippers nowadays, they don't make clothes good quality. No matter how much you pay for it, they'll just put crappy zippers in there. But this zipper, nice, strong, great quality. Look at that, nice. The buttonhole is like the same size. It fits perfectly. On some of the items I got from another company, I had to actually cut the hole. Like I couldn't even get it through there. So that is great. And I think it's about that time to try them on. Another wonderful dark blue denim skirt. I'm really trying to sniff it. No smell whatsoever, you guys. And it shouldn't smell, but some items that I buy from other companies, I do smell like I could smell chemical or like some kind of like ink or funky smell or kind of like moist or something, but nothing. And they're not wet. And I have a little bit of stretch to them. That's why I love their skirts. it's gonna get some stretch. Now this one is a little bit shorter. Oh, you're getting those fun, you know, khaki style pockets that you usually see, you know, that's really in right now. So that's a good size pocket. And actually it is a really good pocket. It's not like for play. You can really put something in the pocket. I love how they double stitch the seam. And this is super soft, and I love how they stitch down the pocket so it doesn't flip up and look all bulky underneath the skirt.